Are you building a new bathroom or thinking of upgrading your current one? Or maybe you're dealing with a tricky space that doesn't have the plumbing for a traditional toilet. Well, today we're diving into a comparison of two popular options, the Macerator toilet and the traditional toilet. Let's break down their differences so you can make the best choice for your home. First up, the Macerator toilet. Imagine a toilet that grinds up waste into a fine slurry before pumping it through smaller pipes. No gravity needed. It's powered by a motorized grinder that makes it perfect for situations where installing conventional plumbing is tricky. Think basements, attics, or areas that are far from the main plumbing line. If you're trying to add a bathroom in a unique space, this could be a game changer. Now, let's talk about the traditional toilet, the classic. These rely on gravity to send waste through pipes to the sewer or septic system. They're the most common type in homes, and they need a good vertical drop to work effectively. Traditional toilets are known for being simple, reliable, and low maintenance. You'll find them in nearly every home because of how straightforward and cost-effective they are. So, what's the real difference between a macerator and a traditional toilet? Let's dive in. Installation is one of the biggest factors to consider. If you have a space that doesn't allow for gravity-fed plumbing, the Macerator toilet is a dream. No need for that vertical drop, just a pump that can send waste wherever it needs to go. It's perfect for unconventional spaces like basements, attics, or even tiny homes. On the flip side, a traditional toilet needs that gravity-fed system, meaning you need to have a vertical drop for it to function. So installation in a basement or attic may require some extra work. Water efficiency is another key area. Generally, Macerator toilets are designed to be water efficient, with dual flush or low flush systems that help save water. But don't worry. Many newer traditional models are also designed with water conservation in mind. If you're thinking about an older model though, be prepared for higher water usage. Now let's talk about cost. Macerator toilets typically come with a higher upfront cost. You're paying for the specialized pump and the unique installation process. But in certain situations, like adding a bathroom to a far-off room or saving on expensive plumbing work, this extra cost might be totally worth it. Traditional toilets, however, are generally more affordable. Installation is easier, and they come in a wide range of price points depending on the model you choose. But what about maintenance? Macerator toilets can require a bit more attention. You'll need to keep that grinder clean and perform regular maintenance to prevent clogs or issues with the pump. Traditional toilets, on the other hand, are pretty straightforward. Less parts, fewer problems. However, they can clog if not cared for properly, especially if you're flushing things that shouldn't be flushed. So how do you know which one to choose? Here's the key. If you're dealing with a space that doesn't have the plumbing for a traditional toilet, or if you're trying to add a bathroom in an unconventional spot, the Macerator toilet is your best bet. It's flexible, efficient, and can save you tons of money in plumbing costs. But if you're working in a standard bathroom setup, or if you want something reliable and easy to maintain, the traditional toilet is probably your go-to. At the end of the day, it really comes down to your space, your budget, and your needs. If flexibility is your top priority, the Macerator toilet will give you that. But if you're looking for something cost-effective and easy to install, a traditional toilet is a great choice.